classmate. I'm Gab-i. I am 5 years old. My dad is Gab-i's junior. My mom is Gab-i's junior. My brother is Greg's auntie. Watching. I like dancing artist for my name. I live in Hiligaynon.
Alright, please come over and give me the last one. Come on. Give it to Dad. Give it to Dada. Oops! Careful. Give it to Dad.
Put it.